Welcome back to another video. And I know you aren't subscribed, so subscribe. Either I will not start the video. So back to the topic. How to create a rakhi. Like this. First we need So first color the earbuds. Like this. To sides also. And let it dry. If the earbuds are all dry, remove from the paper. And cut the cottons. Glue the cottons on the paper. Like this. And decorate like this. And also use the string and needle for decoration. And here it is. Subscribe and go back to your work.